What up, gentlemen? I'm here to apologize for the last video I made where I was saying that our Yoruba brothers should tell us their contribution in this country. I was full of emotion. I said a lot of things in that video that I should not say. For our Yoruba brothers, the ones that have sense, go and tell your brothers, the ones that are pushing hatred against the Igbos, tribalism, go and tell them to stop, because here is the part 2 of the video I posted. If there is a set of people in this country that will be active in saying how bad the Igbos are, how they are smelling, how they are the problem of Nigeria every time, then there should be another person that will educate Nigerians on the significant contribution of the Igbos to the growth of Nigeria. Yes, don't be typing Idemad decrease for comment section. As I will be mentioning the contribution of the Igbos to the growth of Nigeria, you mention the contribution of your own people to the growth of Nigeria. Let's go. Number 1, religion. Nigeria is regarded as a multi-religious country because of the Igbos, because they are the Christian population. If not because of them, the little percentage of Christians in Nigeria would have been Islamized. You have to know that if I'm talking about the Igbos, I'm talking about the East, because I myself, I'm not acknowledging that division made by Yakubu Gowon in 1967. He did it because of the war. Fact check me. Number 2, economy. The major sources of revenue in Nigeria is mineral resources and trade. If you're talking about mineral resources, the East is producing a great percentage of the mineral resources in Nigeria. And if you're talking about trade, the biggest market and production centers are Aba and Onitsha markets. So the East is holding up to 50% or even more than 50% of the economic strength of Nigeria. Fact check me. Number 3, international recognition. Remove the East and the Igbos from Nigeria. A lot of foreign countries will not know that a country Nigeria is existing. And why did I say so? The biggest travelers in Nigeria are the Igbos. Anywhere you go, you don't see an Igbo person. Just go back. As they are traveling and touring the whole world, they are extending and sharing the culture of Nigeria and the culture of Africa to the territories of the world at large. Now, let's come to entertainment. Music. A lot of people are going to say our Yoruba brothers are dominating the music industry. First, history. Before people like Fela Kuti came and became popular in Nigeria, there were people like Osita Osadebe that has already turned Nigeria with their music. Now, let's even come to the recent time in music. 2 most ever streamed African songs in the history are produced by the Igbos. Number 1 is Love 120 by CK, and number 2 is Calm Down by Divine Ekubo, that is Rema. Now, if you're talking about the current famous and awarded musicians, you'll be talking about the likes of Davido and Wizkid. But the likes of Rema and Burna Boy are still matching their energy back to back. Number 5, movie industry. The foundation of Nollywood from the beginning and now are in the hands of the Igbos. If you're talking about the beginning, you are going to be talking about the likes of Nkemo, that's also if you're Aki and Popote, Mr. Ibudem. Number G. If you're talking about in recent time, you can't talk about Nollywood in recent time without talking about Zubi Michaels and Destiny Etiko, them dominating all these areas, not because they are Igbos, but because they are good. Now let's come to invention. The biggest inventors that have been produced in Africa are Igbos. Number 1 is Philip Emeagwali, parallel computers. Even the second one is still an Igbo, Samuel Achilefu, that invented cancer detecting goggles. You guys are funny. Number 7, boxing. Anthony Joshua. The biggest boxer in history that have been produced in Nigeria is Dick Tiger. Go and check the history. 2 times world champion, both middleweight and heavyweight. Even the second one is still Igbo, Ike Ibabuchi. And number 8, let's come to Nigerian literature. Yes, the first African Nobel laureate is Wole Soyinka, understand. But the biggest ever sold book is Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe, over 20 million copies. Even the second one is Chimamanda. You guys are funny. Are you going to tell me about trade recognition? The first ever woman to lead World Trade Organization is an Igbo person, Ngozi Okenji-Iweala. Go and check. Now, number 9, let's come to aviation. Aviation in Nigeria. The first ever produced Nigerian pilot is Captain Robert Emmanuel, Igbo. Even the first female pilot in Nigeria is still Igbo, Captain Chinyere Kalu. Number 10, let's come to the football that is causing wahala, and the biggest player that Africa has ever produced is JJ Okocha, is Igbo. Even the most awarded Nigerian player ever is Kanu Nwankwo, Igbo. Even the next one is Daniel Amokachi, Igbo. Even the next one is Mikel Obi, Igbo. Before you come to Ahmed Musa. Now let's come to female football. Yes, the most awarded and recognized female footballer currently is Sato Shuala. You guys got that one. God bless the lady. She give you that credit. But the next one is Igbo. The next one again is Igbo. Want to talk about kids football, children football? Go and check about Chinonso Emmanuel Eche. Over 13 Guinness World Record. International music recognition in Nigeria. Before the likes of Wizkid, Davido started touring the world. The likes of P-Square have toured the world and come back. When I started this video, I said, don't they type Idemad decrease for comment section. Fact check me. As I mentioned the contribution of the Igbos to the growth of Nigeria, you mentioned the contribution of your own people in the comment section. Remove all this contribution that I mentioned. Tell me what is Nigeria left with. Nigeria will be like South Botswana. People that you should be respecting and giving accolade. You people are making them look like they're smelling. Nonsense. I never wanted to say all this, comparing a particular tribe to the other, but you guys pushed me to talk. For the people asking who is this guy, my name is Wonder, Presido, Karakota Republic. We know the year.